You called me near, you washed my feet, you dried my tears. You said the first would be the last, and in your grace the lowly stand. I don't need a throne to shine, I just need your heart in mine. The least become great in the light of your love. The servant is crowned by the King above. I lay down my pride, I rise in your name. The least become great, and I'm never the same. You taught me how to kneel and lean, to lift the broken, plant the seed. You said the way up starts below, and now I walk where mercy flows. I'll serve with joy, I'll bow with grace. I'll run this race in second place, for